Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off passive mode in Discord Dank memer. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Discord and click on add a server and click on join a server and search here RJAIN and click on join server. Now click on complete and check this option submit, and from this list you have to search for Dank memer, and once you get it, type here please setting passive disable and enter, and then here you can see passive is already disabled, silly goes. So this was how we can turn off passive mode in Discord Dank memer. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.